Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is 6:30 a.m. I've been up all night grinding. I believe I made a toy box. I'm not sure, but I believe I did. Anyway, I have some chicken breasts in this crock pot with some chicken broth and some herbs. I don't want to open up the crock pot right now. It's just now got to a little temperature in there. And in the meantime, I'm heat. Ooh. I'm heating up some leftover food that my neighbor sent up for Christmas. So I I've been doing some things. I took my shower. I did everything, and I've been up all night. And I want to cook this chicken, and I want to put some in the freezer. I got like 4 bowls prepared. I'm gonna make some potatoes or something to go with it, and then after that, I'm gonna make some beef. And then I have a chicken, a turkey lump, a lump of turkey. I'm gonna make that as well, and that should hold me down for a few days. I've been having a few issues with pain. Two of my videos, um, you can, 3 of my videos, you can see that I was in pain, but Cora was the only person who watched it long enough to see it, and she commented this morning. So thank you so much for commenting, because that's how I know you saw it. I'm not saying that you have to watch the video. I'm just saying it lets me know what I need to know when someone can see something like that inside the video. Because if someone does see it and they don't comment, then it means something to someone. If I don't know how to say it, but to see something like that and not have a comment, you have to like not have something, to be able to see that and pass the video on without, having some form of comment. Anyway, thank you so much. Mm-mm. I'm going back to watch me some TV. I was up all night with no TV. It was beautiful, but it's 6:30 and I need to make a phone call about 9:30. So I'm going to watch me some TV while I do some, whatever around here to keep me busy. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for. Uh-oh. My chicken has been cooking for about 2 hours, and this is chicken breast, and I'm going to shred it down. I believe it's gonna go over some. I believe it's gonna go over some potatoes. I think some potatoes gonna go inside here, but a friend of mine is not doing well. I feel kind of bad, so I'm gonna cook. By the way, I've been up all night. No sleep for this lady here. But I want to make sure I'm done by the time he gets off work to see if he can slide by here, or either stay in front of his house before he goes upstairs, where I can make him enough to just heat and eat. It's not good when you don't feel well and then you can't get to the stove. So I'm not gonna tell him that I'm cooking. I'm just gonna ask him to meet me downstairs. I would take it to his house, but he has a little cat. What's his cat little name? What's his cat name? Oh, I forgot. And his cat is sometimes outside, so this is absolutely. Oh my goodness. Okay. I put some the herbs in it. I put a pat of butter in it. I put a touch of salt, just a touch of salt. You know how I do with the salt, very little. But this meat had better be good, because I'm gonna be really upset if it's not. Mmm. Ooh, nice and juicy. Mmm. I'm not sure. Beef broth. I mean, chicken broth. Chicken broth. So I'm gonna leave it in here for a little while longer. I wanted to put some potatoes, but I really can't put potatoes in here because I don't have enough liquid in the pot to put potatoes. Maybe I could put more chicken broth in it, then put some potatoes, probably put some sweet peas, some carrots, make something like a chicken soup, and then give it to him. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll give it some thought right now, but for right now I just lotion up my hands. My hands are a little sore. Oh, thought it was gonna drop. Oh, nice. As you can see, I have some corn and some other stuff inside of this pot. Now, I had to leave for a little while, but I have no idea what time it is. I just know I haven't eaten all day. So I'm gonna take me a scoop. Now, chicken breast is a little dangerous for me to be eating, so I'm just gonna take a small amount. I have to call my friend and see if he can pick up his food, but I need to run to the Dollar Tree and get a big bowl for him to put his food in. Because you know how it is when you take your bowl out the house, especially when you got a good bowl, right? I could just see my hot sauce now. Hot. Not that hot at all. Oh, I had it on low. I just had a visitor. Look what I got. Roses. But I don't know how to take care of roses. So hopefully they be okay. My daughter told me to put some sugar and lemon in it, so that's what I did. I'm not a soup fan, but I'm definitely a fan of this right here. I got canned potatoes, this kind of corn, this sweet peas. But I'm very happy I made this. I'm gonna make me probably 2 bowls for myself, and then make him a package if he's willing to come over here today to pick it out. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I shall see you soon. Thank you for liking and subscribing.